Good morning, children. Let's start question number 3 of exercise 3F. Find the LCM of the following by division method. For division method, we write the numbers this type: 18, 36, 60 and 72. Find the LCM of these numbers. So we write, first we take all the prime numbers for division. इसके लिए हम केवल प्राइम नंबर्स का यूज़ करते हैं, कंपोजिट नंबर का यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. 18, 36 एंड 60, 72 इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2. सबसे पहले स्मॉलेस्ट, देन ग्रेटर, देन ग्रेटर. 2 9 ज़ा 18, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 8 ज़ा 16, 2 30 ज़ा 60, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 36 ज़ा 72. Now some numbers are divisible by 2, so again we take 2. 9 not divisible by 2, we write 9 same. 2 9 are 18, 2 15 are 30, 2 18 are 36. Now 18 is divisible by 2, so first we take 2 here. 9 9 15 same ऐसे ही लेंगे इसको. 2 9 are 18. Now we take 3 because all the numbers is divisible by 3. 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 3 5 is a 15, 3 3 is a 9. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 5 as it is, 3 1s are. Now we take 5. 1 1 1 1. तो बच्चों इसका एलसीएम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? एलसीएम फाइंड करने के लिए हम जो ये प्राइम नंबर्स हमने लिए हैं तो इसको हम क्या करते हैं, द एलसीएम इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सक्सेसिव डिवाइजर्स and the final quotient. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15. लगातार अगर आपसे नहीं होते हैं तो आप जहाँ तक आपसे होते हैं 2 में कन्वर्ट करके इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने किया 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 15 2s are 30 plus 6 36. So LCM of 18, 36, 60 and 72 is equal to 360. LCM is always greater than these numbers. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि LCM इन दिए हुए नंबर से हमेशा ज़्यादा आता है. ठीक है. Now second part. Now 48, 56, 105, 225. First these two numbers are divisible by 2, so we take divisor 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 16. 105 is not divisible by 2, so we take same as it is. Again 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 105 and 225. Now it is again divisible by 2. 2 6s are 2 7s are 105, 225. जब तक एक भी नंबर 2 से कटता रहेगा तब तक हम उसको डिवाइड करते रहेंगे. 2 3s are 6. Now 7, 105, 225. Now numbers divisible by 3 now. 3 1s are 3, 7, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Again 75 only divisible by 3. We take 3 again. 1 7 35, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now it is divisible by 5. मैंने पहले भी बोला था इसको हम जब लेंगे तो ग्रेटर करेंगे, एकदम ग्रेटर नंबर सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऊपर नहीं लेंगे. Now it is divisible by 5. 1 same, 7 is not divisible, 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25. Again it is divisible by 5, 5 ones are 5. Now take 7, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. जहाँ जहाँ जैसे डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई ईजिली हो सकते हैं वैसे कर लेते हैं. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 16 3 ज़ा 48, 5 3 ज़ा 15. Now 5 7 ज़ा 35. Now multiply in rough side. 48 into 15, 15 8 ज़ा 120, 15 4 ज़ा 60, 60 plus 12 72. Now it is multiplied by 35. 5 0 0, 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35 or 1 36. 3 0 0, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. 0 0, 6 plus 6 12, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 2. तो कितना आ गया बच्चों? 25,200. We write here LCM of 48, 56, 105 and 225 is equal to 25,200. Its answer. Clear? Now fifth part, we take first 2, 9, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 12 are now 27 as it is. Again we take 2, 9, 2 3 are 6, 9, 2 6 are 12, 27. Again we take 2, 9, 3, 9, 2 3 are 6, 27. Now it is divisible by 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. 3 again, 1 1 1 1, 3 1s are now 3 3s are. Again we take 3, 1 1 1 1 1. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 3 ये वाले बाद में ले लेंगे. 3 3s are 9. Now multiply them. 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 216. So LCM of 9, 12, 18, 24 and 27 is equal to 216. Now part 2, 4 and 6 of question number 3 is in your homework. If you have any problem, take on my personal number. Now question number 4, find the least number which is exactly divisible by 14, 21, 24 and 42. तो बच्चों HCF के लिए हमारे पास क्या होता है? लार्जेस्ट नंबर. और LCM के लिए क्या होता है? लीस्ट नंबर. लीस्ट number which is exactly divisible by this and this. So we will do LCM for it. इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? LCM करते हैं, इसका LCM निकालते हैं. तो आप क्या करेंगे? इसको पहले वैसे ही लिखेंगे जैसे मैंने अभी लिखा था. 14, 21, 24 एंड 42. इसमें डैश भी लगा सकते हैं और कोमा भी लगा सकते हैं. Now it is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14, 21 not divisible, 24 if we divide by 2, 2 12s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Now again 12 is divisible by 2, 7, 21, 2 6 are 12, again 21. It is divisible by 2, 7, 21, 2 3s are 6, 21. Now it is divisible by 3. 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now it is divisible by 7. 7 1s are 1 as it is 7 1s are. Now LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 7s are 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 14 or 2 16. In statement form, 168 the least number which is exactly divisible by 14, 21, 24 and 42. Clear? Question number 5. Find the least which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7. तो ये लीस्ट फाइंड करना है. इट मीन्स फाइंड द एलसीएम. रिमाइंडर इसमें बच्चों पहले हम इसमें माइनस नहीं करते हैं जैसे एचसीएफ में करते थे, ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. इसको बाद में देखेंगे कैसे करना है. तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज नंबर्स 12, 16, 24, 36. It is divisible by 2, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 12s are, 2 18s are. Now 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are. Again divisible by 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9. Now it is divisible by 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, 3, 9. Now it is divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 1 1 1. Now LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. यानी कि 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. Again we write, यहाँ पर थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं है, मैं दोबारा लिखती हूँ. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 into 3. 3 8s are 12, sorry 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 12 and 8. 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. तो LCM is 14. But in this question given leaves a remainder 7. तो आप क्या करेंगे बच्चों? Therefore the required smallest number या least number is equal to 144 in the LCM. Remainder add in LCM. जो रिमाइंडर बचा होता है उसको हम लास्ट में क्या कर देते हैं? प्लस कर देते हैं. तो कितना आ जाएगा? 151. 4 + 7 11, 4 + 1 5 1. तो 151 is the least number when divided by, we write here 151 is least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7. Clear? Question number 7. 4 bells toll after an interval of 8, 9, 12 and 15 seconds respectively. When will they toll again? अगर कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन होता है कि 4 bells tolls after an interval 8, 9, 12 and 15 seconds, what will they toll again? तो इसके लिए हम क्या बच्चों निकालते हैं? इसका LCM. 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 6s are 12, 15. Now 2 2s are 4, 9, 2 3s are 6, 15. Now divided by 2, 2 1s are 9, 3, 15. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. We take 3, 1, 1, 1, 5. Now it is divisible by 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. LCM is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 5 3s are 15. If we multiply 15 4s are 60. 15 2s are 30 plus 6 36. So when will they toll again? After the 360 सेकेंड्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पर टाइम किस में दिया है बच्चों? सेकेंड्स में. तो इट इज़ 360 सेकेंड्स. वी कन्वर्ट द 360 into the minutes. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minutes. 360 seconds is equal to 360 multiplied by 1 upon 60. 0 cut by 0, 6 6 are 36, and 6 multiplied by 1, 6 minutes. So we write the answer after the 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, the bells toll again. Okay, now tomorrow we will continue this exercise.